Black Tech Unplugged. My name is Nick Caldwell. I'm the Vice President of Engineering here at Reddit. If you don't know what Reddit is, it's the home of the world's largest collection of online communities. We get more than 350 million monthly active users. How I got into technology? It was pretty much through my father. He was kind of what I would call old school geek. He used to bring all sorts of stuff home, like calligraphy kits, chess kits. He used to listen to all sorts of, music, jazz, R&B, classical. And he tried to expose me to all those things. One day, he brought home a computer. It was a Tandy 1000. It was one of the world's first personal computers. And I was a little kid back then. I was only about 4 years old. And I sat on his lap while he typed in, and sometimes he would let me type into the command line as well. Fortunately, I didn't break the computer. Many years later, he also brought me my first coding book. It was Learn C++ in 12 Easy Lessons. And that wasn't true. You can't learn C++ in 12 easy lessons. But it did give me an appreciation for what it meant to build programs that other people could use. So what does it mean to me to be black in technology? I'll talk about three things. First, unfortunately, is struggle. To be a black person in technology, you're going to have to deal with bias, you're going to have to deal with isolation, and you're going to have to hustle a little bit harder than everybody else to overcome those things. Even someone like me, who's a tech exec, got 15 years of experience, I see these challenges every day, but I'm telling you, you can overcome them. Second thing is perspective. As a black person in technology, you've got a unique voice. You shouldn't be afraid to use it. I think if you try, you'll find that there's plenty of companies out here in technology that want to hear what you have to say. Reddit's one of them. Third is opportunity. Silicon Valley, if you think about it, more wealth, more opportunity is created in this area than any other place on the planet, which is why it's so important. You care about strengthening the black community, that you come out here and get involved. We've got to take advantage of the opportunities that are in front of us right now. I've got to say, I'm really optimistic about the future. When I moved out here last year, I joined an organization called DevColor and got to sit in a room with more than 300 black people in the technology industry, all professionals trying to hustle and make their way in tech. It was amazing to me, and I was inspired and decided at that moment that I was going to spend a huge amount of my spare time trying to give back, trying to make it so that there'll be more leaders like me in tech in the future. So that's it. If you haven't tried it already, go to reddit.com, check us out. If you need a place to start, check out the Black People Twitter community. It's one of the funniest places on the internet. My name is Nick Caldwell. Thanks, Black Tech Unplugged. Peace.